bathroom rebuild project. The floor is in. The walls are in. The ceiling is in. We're sheetrock, spackle, and sanded to finish. Now it's time to turn our attention to the shower tile. If you've been following along with our channel, yes, I showed you the entirety of this tile shower build before, but I just did it to music. Now I'm going to break it down with you step by step and explain all of the process and why we did absolutely everything. We get our laser out. We're turning our border vertical. We're going to use this subway tile vertical and go one tile past the tub. So we'll have 3 inches past the tub will be a vertical tile as a border, and then we'll run our subway tile horizontally all around. Now I get my level line. My level line is going to be on my first course. Now when you lay this tile out, you're going to notice there'll be a 1/2 inch tile up at the ceiling. I absolutely do not want that. So I'm going to go 2/3 of a tile to start, and I'll have approximately 2/3 of a tile to finish. So you start with a cut, you end with a cut, but they look a lot more uniform, and you don't have this tiny little ugly cut at the top. I lay to my level line. It's crucial your first course is level because everything else follows. I put my spacers underneath so I have a little bit of a grout line to the tub and to help level each individual tile, and then I go. These tiles have built-in spacers on them, so I will not be using spacers or a leveling system. As small of a joint on this as possible, which the ones it comes with is about a 1/16. Now I put my laser line on course number 2 and I make sure I'm perfectly level all the way around. Now I'm checking my plumb line. I'm going 3 inches past the tub all the way around. We have the tile, we have the gold schluter, and then we have our border, which is on the outside. The inside, there's a 3 inch. That's where my tile, my subway tile will run to. I run them vertically for the border. I check perfectly plumb as I'm going up. I put my laser level line on to double check. I check with a level. Then I slide my gold schluter in between. The reason I'm using gold schluter is every single fixture in this bathroom will be gold. It will all tie everything together and match completely. Tile is a blue and a navy in color. I use Pro Light thin set. I butter both the wall and the tile with the thin set. I use a 1/4 by 1/4 by 1/4 notch trowel. Only use Pro Light thin set. It's stronger, it's more expensive, but it's well worth it to us. It's a wet area, so you must use thin set. We'll be back to complete all of this tile and explain it tomorrow.